In Gilead to make the world beautiful, there is a balm in Gilead to heal the sick soul. Sometimes I feel this calling, when things my worst in thee, but then the Holy Spirit reminds my soul again. There is a balm in Gilead to make the wounded whole. There is a balm in Gilead to heal the sick soul. If you cannot sing like angels, if you cannot preach like Paul, then tell the love of Jesus and see He died for all. There is a balm in Gilead.